Tern is well known for producing high quality folding bikes. One of Tern's premium folding bikes is the Verge S8i. It's not the smallest or the lightest bike in the range, but it's one of the most highly equipped folding bikes on the market. I'm Andrew from Form and Design, and this is the Tern Verge S8i. The Verge S8i has an impressive equipment list. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the safety equipment. The brakes are Shimano Dior hydraulic disc brakes front and rear, giving the bike tremendous stopping power in all weather conditions. Lighting is provided by a generating hub located in the front wheel. It powers both the front and the rear light. The big advantage of this is that you'll never need to worry about batteries for your lights ever again. A high quality bell is also included for safety. The tyres are from Schwalbe and are Kevlar reinforced for puncture resistance. These tyres also provide a slightly softer and more comfortable ride compared with narrower, high pressure tyres and are perfect for urban commuting. A trigger shifter for gear changing is standard, and the gearing is provided by a Shimano Albany 8-speed internal rear hub. One of the key features of this bike is the Gates carbon belt drive. This type of drive has a longer life than a chain drive. It doesn't need lubrication, so it stays cleaner and is quieter than the chain alternative. Other equipment included on the Verge S8i are fenders front and rear, a kickstand, removable pedals, 2-position ergonomic grips, and a pannier rack. You can also add a number of accessories. One of the most versatile and often asked for accessories is the luggage truss, which mounts on the front of the bike. It uses the click-fix system and it's lockable. There are many click-fix compatible accessories available on the market, and Tern has some of their own as well, including a basket, and a few different bag styles that can be easily and securely attached to the bike. As you know, the Verge S8i is a folding bike, and you can fold it in less than 10 seconds and pack it away under your desk, in a car, or at home. It's also easy to carry on public transport. This bike will suit a wide range of rider heights from 142 centimetres to 190 centimetres. To sum up, the Verge S8i is a feature-rich urban commuter bike that would suit a buyer who wants a high-quality, low-maintenance folding bike. If you're after more information or you'd like to order one, check us out online, send us an email or give us a call. If you're interested in any of our other bike videos, click the link on the screen. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and click on the bell icon if you want to be informed of when we upload new content. I'm Andrew from Form and Design. Thanks for watching.